Hey everyone, let's solve one previous question of DBMS. This question was asked in GATE CS 2024 set 1 question number 10. Let S be the specification. Instructors teach courses. Students register for courses. Courses are allocated classroom. Instructor guides students. Which one of the following ER diagram correctly represent S? And 4 options are given. For 4 options, there are 4 ER diagram and it is asking which ER diagram represent S. If you see instructor teaches courses, then student register for courses. Courses are allocated to classroom. Instructors guide students. So how many entity sets are there? Instructor, courses, classroom and students. So there are 4 entity set. Then how many relationships are there? Teaches, register, allocation and guides. There are also 4 relationships set. Now let's check one by one option. Option 1. There is instructor, course, classroom. What about student? Here student represent as a relationship. Student is a entity set. It should be within a rectangle box, but it's inside a diamond. Diamond means it's a relationship. As student is not a entity set here, hence option 1 is wrong. This is not the ER diagram, right? Here instructor teaches courses present. Students register for course. Course is a entity set and registration is a relationship, but here it's given as a entity set. So this is false. Then student is a entity set, it's present as a relationship. So option 1 is wrong. Next, second ER diagram, we have instructor, we have course, we have classroom, but we don't have student, we have project. There is another entity set project, but there are no students. Instructor teaches courses, yes. So first statement is there. Student register for courses, there is no student entity set. Hence, we cannot define this. Then courses are allocated to classroom. Yes, course allocation classroom is there. Instructor guides student. In place of student, there is project and project is not same as student. Hence, option 2 is also false, right? So, option 1 and option 2 are false as it's not present all the entity set and all relationships. Next, third diagram, it have instructor, it have course, it have classroom, it have student. So, it have all 4 entity set. Next, check relationship, it have teaches, allocation, registration guide. It also have all 4 relationships. It have all 4 entity set and relationships. Let's check whether it establishes these relationships or not. So first statement, instructor teaches courses. Yes. Then second one, students registers for courses. So student registration courses. This also present. Then third one, courses are allocated in classroom. Course, classroom allocation. Course is not related with classroom by allocation relation. These two are entity set, whereas allocation is a relationship set. And there should be relation like this. Here course and classroom are not related by allocation. It doesn't establish this relationship. Courses are allocated to classroom. Next one, instructor guides student. Yes, it is present. So as it is not presenting, courses are allocated to classroom. Hence option 3 is also wrong. Next, last ER diagram, we have instructor, we have course, we have classroom, we have student. We have all 4 entity set. Then we have teaches, allocation, registration guide. We have all 4 relationships. Next, check whether it establishes all the statement or not. Instructor teaches courses. Yes. Then student registers for courses. Yes. There is a relationship between student and courses. Then courses are allocated to classroom. Course, allocation, classroom. Yes. Then instructor guides student. Yes. So this ER diagram represents all the statement. Hence option 4 is the correct ER diagram for S. I already discussed ER diagram. Just go through the lecture, and if this lecture is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.